Bramy. Go, go, go! Oh, traffic jam. What are you doing, Buff? The taste of freedom. Yesterday, Bramy interacted with deer. It was so cute. I wish I had my phone with me because it was really cute. This baby doesn't have any fear. It was like they were talking to each other because deer was nodding her head. Why? Like something horse would do. It was so cute. She was standing right in front of deer, and the deer was like nodding her head. I don't know what they were talking about. Well, a few weeks back, same spot, right over there, she was approaching big black cat. There's a stray cat that's just lurking around out in the back here. Never seen her near chicken coop or chicken run, but I was eyeing on that cat because, you know, they could find chickens delicious. But this Bramy was walking towards cat right over there. There's right like edge of the wood. She was walking towards a big black cat. This black cat is so huge, like pretty good dog size. I was like, I called her name, Bramy. And then I think cat was so focused on, I guess, stunned by this chicken approaching. And the cat must have been really focused because it didn't hear me walking toward it. It only heard me when I screamed her name, Bramy. And then the cat just looked at me and jumped into the woods. I was like, you almost have been cat food today. Like, do you know? Do you know you almost died? What do you think you're doing? But you know, now I'm thinking, maybe Bramy had a special talent. Maybe she has a talent to make friends with everybody, like dogs do. I don't know. It was so cute how she was interacting with deer. It was so cute yesterday. I wish I recorded it. I wish I had my phone to record it. Dig it, dig it. Find some worms. Probably there are. They're everywhere. It's been raining. What have we got today? Oh, Frenchie. New spot. Oh, we got 5. I don't know if we ever got 5 in one day before. I don't understand it. It's been raining on and off, on and off. They got all wet. They were inside. And then I closed the door so they can't go outside again. And they were complaining and complaining. So I opened the door again and they're all outside. Frenchie doesn't want to get wet. She is such a princess. She's reluctantly outside because everyone else is outside. Weather must be warm enough for them if they're willing to get wet, except for Frenchie. She doesn't want to be outside. She's edging around. Oh my goodness. Good. Might as well work on my garden. Scratch all the dirt. Fluff up the dirt. There might be some worms. Oh, French is coming home. She had enough with the wet. It's everywhere. It's just puddles and wet. I know. I don't know why everybody also wants to be outside. Seriously. So funny. Here. You wanna come inside? Come inside. So cute. So cute. They jump around like a rabbit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now you're all wet.